How to use lightning rod in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, let's talk about the lightning rod. You can buy it at the gear shop. Once you have it, here's how it works. The lightning rod redirects lightning 3 times before it's destroyed. If you go to your garden and place the lightning rod, it protects the area around it during thunderstorms. So when it's thundering, the lightning rod increases the chance that lightning will strike within its radius. Anything near the lightning rod has a higher chance of becoming shocked, which gives them shocked mutation. So basically, the lightning rod gives you shock through, and the chance of lightning striking is much higher when you place it. Remember that it only redirects lightning 3 times in total. You can see everything nearby just got shocked. Hopefully, this video helped you. Using the lightning rod greatly increases the sale value of your fruit. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.